ELOC Nation, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. It's been a month or so since I mentioned I wanted to start a daily summer vlog. Well, here we are. I'm excited about sharing more of my gardening adventures with you all. This summer, we're going to keep it as chill and laid back as possible. Just me, the garden, and a whole lot of sunshine. Okay, we're gonna plant up this Echinacea. I know she is screaming to get out of this container. Nice root system. Winter sown. I'm gonna put you in your forever home. Yeah, we'll put it right here. I tell you, the weeds are gonna weed. Never ending. When was the last time you were in your garden and you didn't find not one weed? Says no gardener. Okay, now it looks like, okay, there's 4 plants here. Okay, so we're going to do one here, because this Echinacea will come back every year. It is a perennial. And we've got a couple more that we'll find a spot for here in the garden. I love flowers in my garden. They're so pretty. I like flowers. Do you plant flowers in your garden? I don't have anything planted inside this grow bag here where I have my cucumbers planted. So why not add a little beauty around the border of this grow bag? Okay, there's one. And let's do one here. And we'll do a third one back here. We'll make a triangle. Do a little triangle action. Okay. A little triangle action. Let me back it on up. So we made a triangle here. All right, we do need to water everything in, so I'm gonna grab some water from here. Help these babies get established. It's a little warm out. Let's go ahead and water this one in as well. The soil over here is actually kind of moist because it's been raining a lot. Okay. Every day I'll be giving you a peek into what's happening here, whether it's planting new seeds, harvesting vegetables, or soaking up the sun. I want you to feel like you're right here with me. I hope you're ready for some casual talks, gardening tips, maybe a few surprises along the way. I want this to be a place where we can connect, share our love for gardening, and summer vibes together. If you're as excited as I am, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss a single moment. Let's make this summer unforgettable together. Thanks for joining me today. I can't wait to see you in the next vlog. Happy gardening, everyone. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.